Welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who are supporting my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel A Ray of Success. Today we are going to discussing about some previous years GATE questions related to matrix. First question, the eigenvalue of symmetric matrix are all. Options are complex with non-zero positive imaginary part, B. Complex with non-zero negative imaginary part, C. Real, D. Pure imaginary. If you consider symmetric matrix, its eigenvalues are real. So option C is correct. Next question. Match the item in column 1 and 2. This is GATE 2006 questions. Column 1 singular matrix, non-square matrix, real symmetric matrix and orthogonal matrix. Column 2 determinant is not defined, determinant is always 1, determinant is 0, eigenvalues are always real, eigenvalues are not defined. So we can discuss one by one. First, singular matrix. What is the condition of a singular matrix? When a determinant of a matrix is 0, then we can call that matrix is a singular matrix. That means the condition becomes determinant A should be equal to 0. So we can match this P with 3. So determinant is 0 for a singular matrix. Okay. Next, a non-square matrix. Here we can take the option 1, that is determinant is not defined. If you consider non-square matrix, we couldn't define the determinant value of this non-square matrix. So we can match this Q with 1. So its determinant is not defined. Okay. Next we can take a real symmetric matrix. Okay. What is the condition of real symmetric matrix? Its eigenvalues are always real. Okay. So we can match R with 4. Next, orthogonal matrix. What is the condition of orthogonal matrix? A into A transpose should be equal to A transpose into A should be equal to I. So what is the determinant of identity matrix? It always should be equal to 1. So determinant is always 1. So we can match S with 2. So this is the correct answer. Next question. The eigenvalues of the matrix 4 minus 2 minus 2 1. This is GATE 2004 question. So here we need to find out the eigenvalue of this 2 by 2 matrix. For that we can write the characteristics equation. What is A minus lambda I is equal to 0. We can substitute the values to this equation. So we can write 4 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus lambda 0 0 lambda should be equal to 0. We can subtract. So we will get 4 minus lambda minus 2 minus 2 1 minus lambda. It should be equal to 0. So we can take the determinant of this matrix 4 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda. 4 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, here minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 into 4, 1 become 4. 4 into minus lambda become minus 4 lambda. Minus lambda into 1 become minus lambda. Minus lambda into minus lambda become plus lambda square. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Here 4 minus 4 lambda minus lambda become minus 5 lambda. Plus lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. Here minus 4 plus 4. So here we will get lambda square minus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Okay. From this we can take lambda outside. So we will get lambda into lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. Here we will get lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 5. So our eigenvalues are 0 and 5. Option C. Next question. For the matrix 4 1 1 4, the eigenvalues are. This is GATE 2003 question. Here also we need to find out the eigenvalues of this 2 by 2 matrix. For that we can write the characteristics equation. Determinant A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So we can substitute 4 1 1 4 minus lambda 0 0 lambda equal to 0. So we can subtract 4 minus lambda 1 1 4 minus lambda 0. We can take the determinant 4 minus lambda into 4 minus lambda. So we can write 4 minus lambda the whole square minus 1 equal to 0. We can apply the formula a minus b the whole square. So we will get 4 square plus lambda square minus 2 into 4 become 8. So minus 8 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Here we will get lambda square minus 8 lambda. 4 square becomes 16. 16 minus 1 become 15. Is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can find out the values of lambda. For that minus b, we can take the for minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we can apply minus b become minus into minus plus 8 plus or minus root of b square become 8 square. That means 64 minus 4 into a into c. 4 into 1 into c. 15 into 4. 15 into 4 become 60. Bhagam 2 into 1. We will get 8 plus or minus here root 4 bhagam 2. Here we will get 8 root 4 become 2. Okay, root of 4 should be equal to 2. So 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 become 6. 6 by 2 become 3. Or 8 plus 2. 10 by 2 become 5. Here we will get lambda is equal to 3 and 5. So our option C. Thank you.